In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send statements in Xero, all within 5 minutes. The process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you become proficient and confident in managing your statements within Xero. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero accounting software. Head over to the Xero login page. On this page, you'll find a button prominently displayed that says login. Click on that button. Once clicked, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure to type these in carefully to avoid any login errors. After you've provided your credentials, hit the login button once more. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now, the dashboard is your main control center when using Xero. From here, navigate to the Contacts section. You'll want to click on Contacts, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Customers. This section is where you'll find a list of all your customer contacts stored within Xero. In the customer section, look out for a column with 3 dots. Clicking these dots will open up more options for each customer. What you're looking for in this menu is the option that says Send Statements. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking Send Statements, you'll be prompted to choose the type of statement you'd like to send. This is an important step as Xero provides different types of statements tailored to specific needs. Once you've made your selection, adjust the dates to reflect the period you're interested in. It's straightforward, simply enter the start and end date you wish the statement to cover. Once the dates are set, click on Update to apply these changes. Now from the list of customers, select the one you want to send a statement to. With your customer selected, locate the email button and click on it. This will open an email draft. If you need to make any changes to the email, you can do so at this point. Perhaps you might want to adjust the message or add a personal note. Once you're satisfied with any changes, you're ready for the final step. Simply click on Send to dispatch the statement to your customer. And that's it, you've successfully sent a statement through Xero. By following these easy steps, you can efficiently manage your financial communications with your customers, ensuring both parties have clear and concise records. With Xero, you can keep your accounting organized and stress-free. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy accounting.